Oh my goodness. Check it. Hello everybody and welcome back to the TheAishaAkbarShow / Star Trek Kids, but today's going to be the Life of Laughter. Today on this video's Life of Laughter episode 2 is going to be about science. Today in this video I have got 2 syringes of gallium located right here. We're going to be doing this today because it is based on the YouTube channel Dave Hacks, who did all the mesmerising experiments, and all of the viewers commented down below and even liked them. He's got actually 1 billion of them subscribers, so you better go and check his channel out. So mesmerising. So what I'm going to do with this gallium, I took the label off, so it says the product liquefies just above the ordinary room temperature. The theoretical melting point is 29.78 degrees Celsius. Well, I don't know why it doesn't have the degrees symbol. It does not contain mercury and it's not actually toxic, so it won't do anything to you, and it can be touched directly with bare hands, and obviously it's not edible. Don't eat real gallium, guys. It's really harmful and probably you're going to have to get surgically removed after that. Well guys, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a gallium, but actually I'm just going to use this gallium. What I got is a bowl of water, warm water, and we're going to see what happens when we add this into the water. So let's do this. Okay guys, so my bowl of water is already here. I just added the water into the bowl just a few minutes ago, and now I'm going to take this solid piece of gallium and I'm going to put it into the water. Now what the syringe said is that you should discard after use, and what the instructions say on the label is that you should keep it covered and keep it melting into the water. Now I think we're going to wait at least a minute or 2 minutes and then we'll see what happens next. Catch you later. Oh my goodness guys, I cannot believe it is working. Let's go and try it out. It's been in the water already, but let's go and try it out on my hand. Oh my goodness. Check it. Okay guys, I am so sorry about this. It just got dropped on the floor and it just kind of got a bit messed up, but let's go and reveal what's in the bowl now. Alright guys, now would you come and look at this. Now as you can see, this is starting to form already, but let's see if the solid has actually changed. Well, nearly that. I just need to take the cover off. Oh my god. Let me just suck them. I think it's possible I can suck them back in. Well, yeah, it is quite hard to suck them back in, but I think I should just leave this cool for a little while. Yeah, that should be it. Okay guys, some of the features are like working right. Most of them has come out, but I have, however, removed this solid gallium core so that it can melt. I think the water temperature is decreasing, so I think I should add a bit more hot water just to make sure everything is molten. Okay guys, so everything is cleared up. I changed the water into boiling water just to make it melt fastly. You can see most of it is coming out still, but we'll just put it in there just like for a few minutes or so. And if I want, I can put this one in there. Just ignore this piece. I'll just put that one in there, and then we'll see how everything is clearly been melting. Now guys, the very important thing is that when you use gallium, you should never mix it with aluminium, because it's really corrosive and it causes a destructive reaction. And if you spill any surfaces, you'll need to clean that up, and you'll need to bear that in mind. And also you should avoid getting it on your clothes. This is the most important thing. You can see this is starting to, well, I don't know, I think it's melting quite quickly. I have to be careful because this is extremely boiling water that just came from my kettle. But I will stop the video, like pausing it, and then we'll see how everything is getting on. Okay guys, so it's been like a few seconds now, and let's check if everything's okay with the gallium. Well, that came out pretty easily. And let's see if this one will work. Wow! That came out quite quickly. Wow. This is so amazing. Really amazing. But actually, I don't really have enough gallium. So I'm just going to use it for just this video today. This experiment. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to suck all of it up. Yeah, then I'll... The water is actually below. So I'm going to put this on my hand, see what it feels like. Alright guys, so here I am again. With this melted gallium. Let's just see how it feels like. Oh my goodness. God, it feels very weird. This melted gallium is very weird. It feels like it. And it blobs together at the palm of your hand. This is so cool, right? So amazing. But it is quite slippery, so you have to be careful. But actually I can show you in the... I will show you just when I turn the camera. Alright guys, so here is my amazing molted gallium. It actually feels weird when I touch it. It's like molted metal. And I can also pass it onto my other hand, and it's really fun to play with. And there are some gallium bits which didn't come out, but you can easily just scrape it out. It's really easy. However, if you keep playing with gallium very long, it does leave a discolouring on your hand, and you can't seem to wipe it off quite easily. Not very ideal for playing with it. But the best part to get rid of this discolouring is by wiping it off your hand with a wet wipe, or by washing your hands with soap and warm water. It cleans off quite okay, so always wash your hands after touching gallium. And what I've got now is a dirty wet wipe covered with gallium discolouring. Alright guys, so that's all for the Life of Laughter science show. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please, if you like this video, then smack this like button, comment down below and tell me anything you want to do for me to do in the Life of Laughter, and make sure you punch that subscribe button. And also, please, you can share this video to your friends, but please ask permission while to upload our videos. Don't use them, as the TheAishaAkbarShow / Star Trek Kids is a copyrighted channel. See you next time, everybody. Goodbye and stay safe.